If you've ever tried to hold a multimeter probe against a tiny circuit board with one hand while soldering with the other, you already know the pain. Alligator Cilp test leads fix that instantly, and honestly, they're one of the cheapest upgrades you can make to your bench. I've been digging through the listings, checking ratings, sales numbers, and real user feedback, and I've pulled together the top 5 Alligator Cilp test leads for electronics right now, plus the best deals I could find on each one. Starting things off, we've got a 4mm Alligator Cilp to banana plug test cable set, and this is the classic combo almost every hobbyist ends up needing. One end plugs straight into your multimeter or bench power supply, the other clamps onto whatever you're testing, and then you've got both hands free. It's sitting at $27.46, with nearly 5,000 units sold and a solid 4.7 star rating. The clips have decent bite, the insulation boots keep you from shorting adjacent pins, and it's just a reliable, do-everything set. If you own a multimeter and nothing else on this list, get this one. Next up is the 1-meter Alligator Cilp to Alligator Cilp jumper wire set, and this is the one I reach for more than anything else, honestly. Clip on both ends means you can bridge 2 points, tap into a battery, jump a fuse, or hold a component in place while you test it. It's $24.04, which makes it the sweet spot on price, and it's got a 4.8 rating from nearly 4,900 buyers. The male-female Crocodile clip design gives you a proper mechanical grip, so it doesn't pop off when you nudge the wire. Super versatile, super cheap. Now if you're working with breadboards, an Arduino, or an oscilloscope, this next one is a no-brainer. It's the Cleqee P1533, a 10-piece set of Dupont male to Alligator Cilp silicone jumper cables in 26-gauge wire. $7.37. That's it. And it's got a perfect 5-star rating. The silicone insulation is the star here. It stays floppy and flexible even when it's cold, it doesn't take a set like cheap PVC wire, and it won't melt the second your soldering iron brushes past it. For logic analyzers and breadboard prototyping, this is essential kit for the price of a sandwich. Stepping up in quality, we've got the 5-piece set of 4mm stackable banana plug to Crocodile clip leads. Now this is the priciest set on the list at $64.28, and I want to be upfront about that, but the word stackable is doing a lot of work. Those banana plugs have a port in the back, so you can daisy chain multiple leads off a single terminal. If you're doing multi-point testing, power distribution, or anything on a proper lab bench, that feature alone saves you a mess of adapters. 5 leads, flexible 1-meter cable, and a 4.9 rating. This is the set you buy once and keep for years. And rounding out the list, another 1-meter Alligator Cilp to banana plug set, and this one's the value pick of the bunch. It does basically the same job as our number one, but it comes in at $24.23 with a slightly higher 4.9 star rating across more than 3,800 sales. The full 1-meter length is the real selling point. It gives you enough slack to keep your meter on the bench while you're clipping onto something inside a chassis or under a hood. If you just want a dependable pair of leads without overthinking it, this is the easy call. All 5 of those are linked down in the description below, so go grab whichever one fits your bench. If this helped you out, drop a like, and hit subscribe. I've got more tool roundups like this coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.